In this clip, we're going to talk about rust prevention. What I have here in this can is rubberized undercoating. What this will do is give your vehicle a little added protection against the salt, water, and snow that comes with every winter. As you can see, what I have on the fenders of my vehicle and the door is this crust. That's not snow, that's salt. Salt is the largest causer of body damage and rust in the Rust Belt or the northern states. This rubberized undercoating needs to be applied before it gets below 70 degrees outside. You can apply it in the fall or wintertime as long as you have a heated garage. If you don't, this is one of the major steps you're going to want to take for winterization of your vehicle. Rubberized undercoating is extremely thick, and the bottom half of this bottle is extremely heavy. Before you apply it, you're going to want to shake it for just about 3 to 5 minutes. That'll get the various chemicals inside here mixed appropriately, and it will mix those chemicals with the propellant stored inside. As you can see, the previous owner of this vehicle didn't apply any undercoating at all. None. Whatever it came with from the factory is what I got. And what I got right now is a pretty severe case of rust cancer. Once this happens, it needs to be cut out and replaced. In order to avoid those expensive procedures, you can use some of this stuff here, rubberized undercoating. In order to apply this correctly, you're going to want to take your vehicle to the car wash and have it blasted. All of the dirt, wax, and other foreign materials are going to need to be removed in order for it to adhere properly to the vehicle's paint job. Now, once you apply it, it can be painted back to being the factory color if you prefer. Normally it's low enough on the vehicle that you can apply it and you'll never notice. Also, before you apply this, you're going to want to mask off other things that you don't want to have this black color on. The color will be indicated by the cap, and they sell various other color varieties. You can get black, red, blue, green, things of that nature. You're going to want to mask off something like this, and you can just use masking tape for that. Like I said, shake the can thoroughly, 3 to 5 minutes, and spray on liberally. This will adhere to the paint, and it gives a very flexible and impermeable coating to protect your vehicle's body. The idea when it comes to using something like rubberized undercoat is to get the most bang for the buck. Now, you're not going to want to take and apply this up here to your side view mirror or the top part of your fender or your hood or anything like that, because you'll just ruin the surface and undermine what you're trying to do in the first place. The idea is to apply it where it's going to be needed most: behind your mud flaps, up inside the wheel wells, and alongside the bottom of the rocker panels. As you can see, my front fender is extremely corroded right next to the mud flap. As you drive, the wheel, just from the forward motion, flicks salt, water, and snow up into this area. If you don't want this to happen in your vehicle, what you're going to do is apply this undercoat to that portion. Like I said, you want to get the most bang for your buck, so put it where it counts the most. This stuff will do you no good on the hood or the upper portions of your door. You're going to want to apply it to the lower parts of the vehicle, especially where they're exposed to the wheel flicking of salt, snow, and frost to the body.